everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the little Ella and tell a story. Sharp Painting. It was night and little Ella should have gone to bed as usual. But she liked to sit next to Mom and Dad and talk to them. But whenever Ella asked her mother's permission to stay awake, her mother said, "Children should go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. You cannot stay up late like adults." That night, Ella went to bed with regret. But when she opened her eyes early in the morning and went from her room to the kitchen, she was surprised to see that Grandpa and Grandma had come to their house. She was sitting next to her grandfather and grandmother and playing with them until night. Ella thought to herself, surely tonight, when Grandpa and Grandpa went to their house, Mom and Dad will let her stay up late. But when Ella ate her dinner, like other nights, Mom asked him to brush his teeth and go to bed. She was very sad to hear this. She started crying. She was sitting on Grandma's legs and said, "I don't like to go to my room. I want to stay here with you." Grandma asked her permission to go to her room and tell her a story. Ella lay on her bed and Grandma told her the story of her childhood. "When I was a little girl, I wanted to be like the others. I stay up late like them. That's why when they disagreed with me, I would get upset and cry. Until one day Mom allowed me to stay up that night. I thought I had grown up a lot. At night, like Mom and Dad, I watched TV till late. When I went to bed at the end of the night, I was very tired. When I opened my eyes in the morning, I realized how late it was. Dad had gone to work and Mom was cooking lunch in the kitchen. It was late when I had breakfast. When it was lunchtime, I had no appetite to eat lunch. I want to sleep again. That's why I started making excuses until Dad came home that night. I didn't eat dinner because I had lunch late. I realized why parents tell their children to go to bed early. Because if the children eat dinner late and sleep little, they cannot wake up early the next morning. And if they stay awake like this for a few days, they will get sick. Little Ella decided to go to sleep earlier at night after hearing the story of her grandmother's childhood. Today our story is over. Do you sleep early at night? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.